This is a hydrogen bomb. This is a coughing baby. What's the difference? A hydrogen bomb is one of the most destructive weapons ever created. A coughing baby is a helpless infant. This is a black hole. This is a dying ant. What's the difference? A black hole is an object with gravity so strong that not even light can escape. A dying ant is a tiny insect nearing the end of its life. This is trash. This is garbage. What's the difference? Trash is dry waste that doesn't rot easily, while garbage is wet waste from food or organic materials.